In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage folders in Wrike. Folder management is one of the essential organizational features in Wrike that can help streamline your workflow, keep resources organized, and enhance team collaboration. Let's dive right in and make sure you can master this feature effortlessly. First, we'll start by opening up Wrike. You can do this by simply clicking on the Wrike icon on your desktop or by navigating to the Wrike website in your preferred web browser and logging into your account. As you're likely familiar with your dashboard, you'll notice several options available to you. For now, our focus will be on the left navigation panel, which is where you'll manage your folders. Next, in the left navigation panel, you'll want to select the specific space where you want to create or manage your folder. Spaces in Wrike function similarly to workspaces. They help you organize projects, teams, or any specific tasks. Selecting the right space ensures that your folder is correctly situated among your existing projects. By doing this, you maintain an organized structure, which is crucial for both efficiency and clarity as you collaborate with your team. Once you've selected the appropriate space to work within, look at the sidebar. You have two options here. You can either click the plus button or right-click anywhere inside the sidebar. Right-clicking or using the plus button here gives you a quick access menu to manage your folders efficiently. A little tip. Becoming familiar with these context menus can save you a lot of time as you navigate different project management tasks in Wrike. After you've clicked the plus button or right-clicked, you'll select Folder from the options that appear. This is where you'll start the process of actually creating the folder. It's important to remember that folders are fundamental building blocks in Wrike. They help compartmentalize projects or tasks, enabling you to have a neat and easily accessible overview of your current workload. Now it's time to give your folder a name. Enter a folder name that is clear, concise, and relevant to the content or the team it's intended for. Good naming conventions are vital as they enhance searchability and help team members quickly identify what each folder contains. As the final step before creating the folder, consider your sharing settings. Who needs access to this folder? Does it contain sensitive information meant only for certain eyes? Or is it a resource hub that needs to be widely accessible? Configuring the sharing settings correctly is crucial to ensure data security while fostering collaboration. Once all these settings meet your requirements, go ahead and click Create. Just like that, your folder is ready for use. You can now start organizing your files, tasks, or any other resources you'd like to include within this newly created folder. And there you have it, managing folders in Wrike made easy. With this knowledge, you can now efficiently organize your projects and improve collaboration with your team, leading to more productivity and less stress. Thank you for watching, and happy